Hey friends, today I'm cooking some rice, and this is brown rice, and what you want to do is, I'm going to rinse this quite a few times, but if you want to rinse off some of your rice, if you do this first time, your water's going to be kind of hazy, and it's just getting basically the different impurities off of there a little bit. So you kind of do that a few times until your water's nice and clear. So that's pretty clear. Okay. Now that is done, let's go cook some rice here, shall we? Okay, so I got some mushrooms. Usually I use olive oil, but I'm out of olive oil, so I have some ghee, refined butter. I'm gonna pour some of that in there. Okay. And let's go ahead and get our stove started here. Put that to, about 6. Okay. I cut up 2 onions, throwing that in there. And also I have a few mushrooms, which I'm just going to break up and put in there. I like big chunks of mushrooms, so that's why I'm not cutting it really, just kind of break it up there. Whoa, exploded on me. Five-second rule. Okay. And this is rice for probably about 7 servings or more. I'm actually going to put it in some stuff some bell peppers with it. But you could just eat this rice by yourself. By itself. It's quite flavorful. If you like saute some mushrooms and onions or whatever else you want to put in there. And then you cook them. And once it's done, you can just eat it plain. Okay, we got ourselves a little spoon here. While that's kind of frying up, I'm going to add some salt here. So I'm going to add like maybe a tablespoon of salt and a pinch. Okay, kind of stir that. It's going to be a little while once that starts heating up and the veggies start cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and let that kind of get cooked down a little bit so it releases some of the flavors, I guess. Another thing I like to do is, if you guys watch my other videos, you know I like garlic powder, garlic salt. I'm going to put in some garlic powder in here too. Okay. Just kind of going by ear here. One way to kind of know where your flavor's out, if you sample your food now and then. A little bit more salt, you can add some more salt and this, that, and the other. So that's gonna go ahead and probably let it run for a little while. Wait till the veggies start cooking, and then we'll add our rice. And actually, we're gonna cook it in vegetable broth. If you hadn't figured that out by now. All right, we got some sizzle going on now. And you can cook these to your liking. I don't like them too soft or too hard, so right about there. What we're going to do is take some of our vegetable broth. You can use chicken stock too if you want. Just going to pour that in there. I do prefer chicken stock. I just like the taste better, but not everyone likes it, so I'm going to go with some vegetable broth. Alright, and we're taking our rice as well. I'm just going to dump it in there. Okay, make sure I get all of it in there. It's going to come to a nice boil. And come on out of there. I do use a non-stick pan as well. Usually don't have too much trouble with the rice sticking, but okay, I'm gonna probably need more. We did put the ghee in there too, so it's gonna have some oil to help it to not stick. But also probably gonna need to add some more. I'm just pretty much just eyeballing this, but probably some more broth here would be my guess. So you can't really mess up rice too bad. I mean, if you get too much, just let it cook longer and it kind of cooks off. So just kind of guesstimating here. Now that's gonna cook for a while, and I think I'm actually gonna cover it up so it does it a little quicker. And that's pretty much it. This will give you some real good flavor on your rice, cooking it in a stock. You can put some bouillon cubes or there, or better than bouillon if you're vegetarian, or just the chicken stock. But a little bit of salt. You want to kind of taste your rice, make sure it's got enough salt and all that in there. You can add pretty much any veggies you want, and this turns out really excellent. And I'll go ahead and let that simmer down now and let the rice cook. So we will be back and we'll show you the final product there. So thanks for watching. Alright, here we are. It's almost done. You can take the lid off and let more water boil off. Yeah, and it's pretty hard to overcook rice. I mean, you can if you're like super picky, but if it's not cooked all the way, it doesn't run out of water, you can simply just add some more water or juice or whatever. Not juice, you know, broth. So this is about where we want the consistency. And probably just going to let this simmer like this with the lid off until all the juices are out. So there you have it, my friends. You can eat it just like that. We're going to go ahead and put it in some bell peppers though, and make some stuffed bell peppers with some other sauce. So thanks for watching this video on how to cook rice.